Okay, we got a 5 flash. How you doing? Okay, so I got here and it was flashing 4 times, so I did the reset procedure, that cleared it out. And then actually when I was going to test the pump, which is leaking, it caused it to shut down when I opened up the valves. And then it went into a 5 flash, so I think it's a 5, what's going on with it. And you got to replace the entire valve when that happens. So we have a valve. And I'm just getting set up, and I shut the water off, so I gotta drain it down. We got a vacuum now. You smell gas?
Yeah, is it from down here or here?
It's from down here, but it should stop.
I'm just making sure I forget to turn something off.
No, I couldn't get to the shut off for the gas.
Here, Julian. This is your face. You want it in your stocking. I didn't get no stockings. I need you guys. What did you do with his underwear? No, you don't tell him anything. He's a 3-year-old. He doesn't know what to do.
It's all put back together. Pilot light. Replace the valve. Had a 5 flash, first a 4 flash, then a 5 flash. Pilot light's on, valve is coming up. Pilot light staying on. That's it. So this is the old valve. Right, no metal cap in the back. Circuit board's probably good, valve is probably good. This is the new valve, had a metal cap in the back. I got really lucky, I just happened to have one in my truck. You can see it's running. Somebody replaced the pilot assembly. That's why you have all this extra coil. I don't know what it goes to, but I noticed when I got here, you could see the old sensor over there on the floor, and I was like, oh, that's weird. I was just kind of looking at it, and I saw all the pilot line. But yeah, so somebody put a new pilot assembly on it, hoping that would fix it. And it didn't. It was valve related. A little bit of water in here just from changing the valve, but yeah, it's running now. Anyway, this would be a code 5 video or a 5 flash. So a complete replacement of the valve. You can do it when it's full. Always should create a vacuum, which I was able to do. Fortunately, it's a really big house on like a 1-inch line. It had a gate valve on the hot and then a shut off on the cold. So between those two, I was able to create a vacuum. Anyway, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, and we will see you on the next video.
Why? I came into this game for the action, the excitement. Go anywhere, travel light, get in, get out. Wherever there's trouble, a man alone.